only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it. Try to believe, though the going gets rough, that you gotta hang tough to make it. History repeats itself, try and you succeed. Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dream. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around.
The following contest
and we're underway. Looking at these two men, I don't think there's going to be anything traditional about this one-on-one matchup.
Aside from Saxton's commentary, this has all the makings of an epic match. Slam down hard.
At the arm. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Beautiful technique.
Double schoolboy. He's got the ropes and the pin is broken.
Oh, nasty impact.
What a stomp. Good grief. Ooh. Clothesline. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Power slam.
Good night.
Harsh impact. Oh man. Oh, what impact. Sheamus starting to weaken some. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment tonight. You don't step in the ring with this guy and walk away completely unscathed.
He seemed more motivated than ever heading into this match, which makes me think he still has plenty of fight left in him.
Down to the floor.
a knee, and another.
You gotta believe this one's over.
5. Nailed it. Oh, and he connects. There's no reason to lose your footing on a move like that. Come on, toughen up.
Back in from the floor.
Oh, he turns it around. Tackles, ruthless. Oh, he's got him where he wants him. Here we go. Boom! Buffalo bomb.
What impact.
Shoulders on the mat. Sheamus gets the shoulder up. Not yet. What impact!
And Sheamus slips out of harm's way.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. He'll need to find a way to turn things around here.
He's taking on some damage, but so is his opponent. This match can go either way at this point.
Oh my goodness, this hurts! Oh! His shoulders are down.
And a kick out. Not even close on that one.
Oh man, I don't know who to root for.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Oof!
We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only...
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? Sheamus gets the shoulder up. It's difficult to keep the Celtic Warrior on the mat. You can say that again. Big slam. Beautiful technique. That kick will stop you in your tracks. And guys, we're seeing Sheamus in a tough situation. And things look bad for the Celtic Warrior right now.
I'm not sure he even knows where he is.
I'm not sure he has much left.
Here we go, guys.
Oh man.
Oh my God, a clothesline. At the oh my goodness, crushing it.
And Sheamus. Oh, he's going for that high cross. Way up top.
High cross.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
And Sheamus might have just secured the victory. Here's the cover. 1, 2, 3.
There's the pinfall and the victory.